Here at SRI Performance, we are an official retailer of fire bottles, and we do fire bottle recertification. We carry Safecraft and SPA Technique fire bottles, amongst others, and we also do recertification for all those brands too. When you're sending us the bottle, you'll notice that it has a blue label here and a yellow label here. This yellow label needs to be renewed every 2 years, and it has a punch out, but you will need to remove it to see when your bottle has been manufactured. If your bottle is older than 6 years old, we are no longer able to recertify it. We carry a wide range of different fire bottle sizes for all the different NASCAR and local track series, everything from dirt all the way up to your top NASCAR and Xfinity series. The bottles come in many different sizes, and we also sell many different attachments and equipment for mounting it inside the car. When you're sending us a recertification, make sure to include all your information in the package with the bottle. If we get a bottle without any info, it's hard for us to send it back. Make sure the bottle is empty, and we recommend sending it via UPS ground. To contact us about your fire bottle recertification, you can visit our website at sriperformance.com. There we have a whole services page where you can get all your information, or you can email us directly at sales@sriperformance.com.